Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will have a closer look at Weller ZeroSmog Guard, a breath of fresh air in fume extraction. Clean air is the quiet engine of a productive workplace. In soldering, effective fume extraction protects health and keeps sick days at bay. The new Weller ZeroSmog Guard Series raises the bar with stronger protection, lower noise and energy-smart efficiency, a discreet but powerful ally at the workbench. For years, Weller's ZeroSmog range has been trusted for reliable soldering fume extraction. Models like the ZeroSmog EL and TL earned their place in workshops thanks to their compact size, quiet running and solid suction performance. Now, almost a decade later, the ZeroSmog Guard generation takes the legacy further, bringing the new levels of safety, efficiency and user comfort. From small R&D labs to high-output production lines, the new series offers a solution to match. Every model shares the same core strengths. Key features of the ZeroSmog Guard series are high-efficiency filtration, easy main and pre-filter replacement, modular space-saving build, low noise under 50 or 55 decibel for a quieter, more focused workspace, and ESD-safe design. There are three core fume extractor types available: ZeroSmog Guard Light, ideal for small labs or light-duty single-station use; ZeroSmog Guard, built for frequent, continuous, daily use; and ZeroSmog Guard 2, a powerful and practical extractor for production lines where a workstation can serve two work areas. All three models are also available as a practical kit. The kits come complete with extraction hoses, known as alpha funnels, and a filter set, making them a ready-to-use solution for your workbench. Thanks to the optimized filter replacement system, these units offer lower annual running costs compared to older models. The new generation comes with three types of standalone replacement filters: Guard Kit Standard with standard HEPA plus carbon filter, Guard Wideband Gas, suitable for most standard electronics manufacturing operations, and Guard Adhesives, for fumes from adhesives, sealants, and bonding agents, including VOC-heavy materials. The most popular Weller fume extractors and accessories are part of our stock, ready to support your projects right away. Other models can be ordered directly from the manufacturer under favorable terms. If you are interested in more information about Weller products, or if you need technical advice, get in touch at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to help you.